The information where they reach our table right now, they say that another Igbo business where they for Lagos, this one now they call Trinity Market, where they for our papa. As we they talk right now, they say that the Lagos state governor where they call Showolu and his workers, and they don't go do another work for that place. So as we they talk right now, they don't carry our people business and even the whole building where they as we they talk, they not even tell them carry your things. So at least those ones where they tell last time where they come out in the night, that one good, but this one now they not even come on one thing for inside now. So they come do their normal work where they do there, carry everything everywhere now. Yata. My people, things are really happening. Let's go and look into how this thing take the happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. It's then at the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still here they bring you update back to back as it they hot. My people, the matter where we get for our table time, we'll go inside go talk about them. They say that another Igbo business where they for inside Lagos, the place where they call Trinity Market, where they for a papa. They say nah, that one don't go too, because now when they enter there with their bulldozer, they'll carry everything. Our people where they don't talk, come outside, say they no even remove one pin for inside. Now so they go carry the whole place down. My people, things they happen. I go play you the video, may you watch and see wetin Lagos they do to Ndi Igbo. As they busy, they demolish their shop, they demolish their shop, they go. Nafuna herdsmen, they inside bush, they teach you now wetin una need to know as well. You see, this life no balance. May you watch this video and we'll come back and continue.
Because nano na Trinity. Lagos State there this morning where cruise every year. Yeah. Ndo kija ba ene na anya o. Yeah. Aya ibi no toro na eba. Ndo ri ezusia na ayo. Chere ozo na kija na eku na ebe anyị na-anọ. Na Trinity Market Olodi Apapa. Trinity Market Olodi Apapa. Then I am about this morning, February 1st, 2024. February 1st, 2024. Yeah, no. Yeah, by now. Oh, yeah, I'm not good enough. Then you by now. Yeah, you know information about this morning. Then I ngwa yo munne uno no sna na eba na na bokasi ana na o ngwa ya ina le pass ka ina azu moto pass ka ina azu na Trinity o ayo bra na anya o okija o batanu mo se enyemaka o ndo okija batanu mo se enyemaka o eba ina anọ ka akurisi ndo okija na anya o shop mo kan no ya o shop meruo na na shop e to nwo ni ma ya shop e to kan nwo ni ma ya ha ni ne eruo na na ya na ya o ya ba na no da ye de se ya o yo ma zin Ndi Igbo no o I do more than 2,000 businessmen here. I know here more than 2,000 businessmen. No here because ochiri okija na ekwu shop anyị niile shop eto nwere ya agwụna o nwa ke Lagos State hapụrụ ayo na ebe anyị na-abọpụtasị ya na ana. Hey, ndị okija nye na ya aka o na o okija ba anyị na ma aga o na anya o shop eto nwere that can be today, 1st of February. Instead of this year, happy new month. Then the Lagos State in Then I am here. Here Trinity Market. Dị n'Olodi Apapa. Olodi Apapa. Ebe a ka anyị nọ. Ndị Ọkịja be anyị n'ịgbata na anyị ọsọ enyemaka o. Shop niile nwụ agwụna ozi anyị na-arụ onwe anyị arụ. Ebe ka m na-ebido. Mmebu ya na Nkwọ Ọkịja. Ebe na anya here. Ebe na anya Tono Fumens. Ndị folks on mmadụ. Ebe na anya. Ebe na anya o. Nyere anyị aka o. Obi dancing ba yo dozie. Ọfịa furu ego na anya ka ọ nọfu ya na-eme anyị o. Ọ ya na-eme anyị na Lagos dey ya. Na men more than 2,000 shop no here. Ka demolish today bụ 1st of February. Biko na-esi na anya here, anya anyị niile ka a na-abọpụtasị n'ala. Na ebe anyị niile, anya anyị niile ka a na-abọpụtasị n'ala. Ndị Ọkịja nyere nwanne ụlọ aka o. Agha adịkwa n'o. Hey! Aka nsi bịa Lagos. Mmasị ụlọ wee bata last week. Egbuo na agbo. Hey! Shop ịtọ nwụrụ ebe a. Ama how many million na-eluzu. Ama how many million na-eluzu ebe a taa. Eluzugo ma ha bụ sọ wee na. Ha bụ sọ wee na ụfọdụ ka epikitere. Na ya na-abọpụtasị ahịa anyị n'ime a. Ahịa anyị dị n'ime a na. Na-esi ahịa. A na-abọpụtasị ahịa n'ime a na o. Ụfọdụ kolapsịrị ebe a. Ụfọdụ nwụrụ anwụ. Ụfọdụ ekolapsịgo, ụfọdụ anwụọna. O nwere ofu ya ewepụtasịrị. Na ya ene o. Obi Johnson ba anyị dozi biko ka ruo nna aka platform ọbụla o ya eru aka ka ụnụ nyere anyị aka o. Ebe anyị na-azụ pas na Trinity dị na Apapa. Olodi Apapa. Ọ ya anyị nọ na ya. Ezie n'ebe anyị nọ. Ngwa ya anyị ka anyị na-akpụkọzi ele alụme. Ndị aboki na-egozi anyị ahịa taa. Nyere na anyị aka. Nyere na anyị aka o. Hey.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, my people, for most of now, will know join this video on time. You see what they talk for here. This video where they watch now, where Igbo people they do business for place where they call Trinity Market for inside a Papa side. They say this one now so they enter there again. No, go carry everything yata. But the question where would they ask this governor, this government where they do this thing? Is it the best way? Which place una build give these people? Say make them go here, go they do this business so that una go take this place, take do another thing, or in the structure where they put for there no good. If there is nothing like this, that means you people know what you are doing. But one thing you have to realize that no matter the house where you demolish for inside Lagos, you cannot scare Igbo away from Lagos. And no matter what of those children where they don't born for inside that place, we never go village for once. You go tell them say may they go where. No matter how you destroy their business, give them 1 week. 1 week is too much. Give them 1 year, they go come buy there. If let's say no one sell them, they go come buy them. They will buy there and build one way fine past this one. So stop wasting your time. And if you want to demolish their things, give them another place. Show them build another place that you want that structure to be, and ask them to relocate from there and go to this place. The people who own the property, compensate them. It can't just be taking bulldozer, entering where if you want to rebuild Lagos, nobody is holding you for rebuilding your state the way it is. But do the right thing. Do not just call somebody's life because you want to rebuild Lagos. Life is more important than any other thing. So make a provision for these people that you are bringing their things down first before doing it. The Igbos cannot even both speak. The people who call themselves Ohanes and the Igbo leaders, people cannot even bold to speak to this thing. It's too much. I know that they are doing it. This recent thing now, they also tell Anambra, this one, do your own, do this one, do this one. It's in a very big search. And those ones do so that the tension will come down. I say, after all, they are doing it in the east. Yes, they are doing it in the east. They can do it, but this new people are doing, they're putting it in a bad way. But make sure say you have another place for them. Especially I'm talking of markets. I'm talking of marketplaces. make a provision for them before bringing it down, and let them move their business, move their goods out of there. This is money. Economic is hard, things are going bad. You people are even killing Nigeria more. Do you know how much you are wasting in those markets that you are bringing down? Do you know how many revenue that Lagos are losing in this market you people are bringing down? Because you want to do Igbo people something. However, my people, share this video and make sure you follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. We see they here, they bring you update. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The most important thing is share the video so other people go know wetin dey happen. Thank you so much.